Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is RP. Today I'm going to talk about big project where the Asian Hombre announced the Spanish Town. Major police headquarters and get built. So it will take 24 months and cost $2.2 billion. Whole heap of money that you know much unicorn that can buy. While Hombre was talking about this, couldn't help but wonder how much of that 2.2 billion are going to end up back in the same gang them pocket. We'll talk about it. From going to have a Patreon birthday shout out today, this one goes out to Jamaican. Today I'm earth strong. Don't know Jamaican, I know say truck driving him doing that Canada, but I know Winnipeg. Cause you don't know Winnipeg already. That right there says the central hub for all intelligence and all things knowing concerning crime. You know what I mean? Stay safe on the road. Don't know me know see a professional, so you know them things already. Get them regular, you know, stop and sleep and rest and cause them kinda hurt there. Right. You can't fight the sleep. Right. Matter of fact, I think enough of them place to enforce the resting. So try me and big up yourself. Happy birthday, happy earth strong, more life seen. Make we get into the video. $2.2 billion. Hold my money that. I want to see the building. I want to see the plans. Because when it done, you better make sure say something we can rival anything in New York, Washington, Toronto, or Paris. Right. Make sure we can rival for them stations. Hold my money that. Like the police headquarters. But that could be the big base for St. Catherine North. While I did them speech, the GPS boss said, "My vote to take back Spanish Town from the criminals." You know, we cover Spanish Town regular. By now you should realize we have close ties to Spanish Town. That's why we cover Spanish Town so much, know so much about Spanish Town. Just like the Asian Hombre. When the Asian Hombre say I'm going to take back Spanish Town from criminals, he vows to take back Spanish Town. The next question the journalist guy must ask him is when. Only can't just have people that say them things just so, you know. Some open-ended state. I vow to take back Spanish Town from criminals is the same like saying one day me I go come link it. That might be 2075, you know. When are you going to take it back from criminals? Can we get a year at least? A month? Without a timeline, there's nothing to hold you accountable to. See, this is how we tell the Jamaican people don't want no results. In the business world, when somebody go in front of the board or go in front of the shareholders and them say, "We're going to do this," it is usually followed by a timeline because that's how you get held accountable. So our projections are we're going to increase sales by 18% over 2 years, and then you are held to that. But politicians get to just say anything vague and open. I vow to take back Spanish Town from criminals. When? GPS boss guy. When? We need a date. The Haitian Hombre goes on to state, for us to take back the town, the JCF will be an important element of that strategy. But it is not the criminals that we need to get out of the town, more so it is the people we need to get on the side of the police. Because the criminals have interwoven themselves into the fabric that they are protection and safety. End quote. Get the people on the side of the police. That's going to be hard with people like Kingston Town around. Years ago, me I tell them, I said, the community policing thing, I mean it's cute, but if we really want people to give you information, if we really want people to start make more calls, because there's always going to be people who, you know, depend on the whole informer for that thing. But there are many Jamaicans, many people, a bag of people in a Spanish Town with love to give police information. on certain things. You know what them really afraid of? The same squad go back go tell one another. The same squad go back go tell clans. That's a when I'm telling you, so you can't get no real results until you not just shake up the gang them, but also people like Kitson Town and their friend them. You heard on the Klansman recordings, gang members call and I tell C4 say, yo, link up Austin car, we want to go do something right now. All of these things, JSF here, all them, with them police, they want to them. Ask them what happened to Austin. Ask them what happened to Kitson Town them. They heard that there are squaddies in Spanish Town who are in collusion with the gangs and nothing to come out of it. So when Asian Hombre start talk about get people on the side of the police, that's going to be hard in Spanish Town and people not seeing you do nothing about. Right, the squaddie will go call back them name to Tickman, aka the Michelin man. One of the goals of community policing is to get the people them for like, become more familiar with the police and then ultimately start sharing information. Only can go around and hug up and kiss picnic and forehead till they're tired. Until people feel confident, keyword confident, so them can tell the police something and reach back in a gunman ears, wasting the time. So when you state these things, you need to also state how you're going to get people on the side of the police. When people realize the man can give information and reach back to the gang them, and then after them give information, something happens, that's when people are going to start really be motivated for work. I am not asking this, I am telling you, and a little bit of people from Spain provide a bag of information and nothing no come out of it. Don't even act on it. A them thing they put off people. When a man risk him life to go quote unquote inform and then no come out, not even one little make believe pretend operation, him start tell himself then why bother? Might as well just work with the system. Just work with the Klansman system and one other system. The GPS boss has been around for a while now. I mean, this should be a statement if it was his first year in office. They would just alright, him are gonna need some time. But he's been around for a while now. When, guy? When this ever happen? You can build the prettiest police station in the history of police station, dumb. Right. You can make the police station the wall they make out of curry goat. It won't mean a thing. If when the 87 go in there, he's still getting dealt with the same old laws. So he want to build new station and have old laws, modern station with outdated laws. How that makes sense? It no matter how fancy the station is, no matter how fancy the police headquarters is, when bigger crime go in there, it no matter because 20 times he go in there, 20 times I have to let him go. 20 times he go before the judge, 20 times he get bail, it no matter. Repeat offenders going in a station, going in front of court and still get leg off go road. But just having big shiny building by itself, what that mean? That is sign of progress? Tickman and him friend they must eat off of that somehow. See me warning about this momentum thing, don't make it slip. See, Tickman, after he dip on the run up and down and hide, him realize that the momentum slow down. So now Tickman gone up an island-wide tour. I try mash up this and take over that. When you notice Linstead has been very spooky, Tickman has played a big part in that. Tickman is helping to destabilize Linstead. I help destabilize enough place. Cause remember Tickman he met enough new allies based on the fact that him and Termite them did a link. So enough old Klansman link, Tickman now have access to that because Tickman was in partnership with a faction in a clans. So this is what I have to ask the Prime Minister. Ask Babsy Grange, ask the big wigs them in Spain. What assurances can you give the Jamaican people that not $1 out of the 2.2 billion will end up in the pocket of nobody from one of our clans? What assurances can you give the people? I'll answer the question for you. None. If you think $2.2 billion can spend in a Spanish town, and nobody from one of our clans no eat half of it, link me for your half price unicorn. That is how crazy Spanish Town is. Them a build police headquarters to take on gangs, and gangs are gonna name off for that. If you don't believe me, you don't know nothing about Spanish Town. The police headquarters where them a build, we say them a go take on gangs. The same gangs them go and name off for the construction process. Nothing can build this up. And somehow, some of the money not trickle in a clan's pocket or one other. Matter of fact, man, they happy like picnic on Christmas Day. If you don't know how construction work in a bad man place, if you don't know how the labourer them get picked, who get to go up on which work and where they come from and who decide, if you don't even know how man can get put on site or take off a site, man we competent and know what him do. If he go work certain place and the boss feel like say yo, he wanna a film board, he can get take off of the site and get replaced. And the brother will get put on it. Him a part of the system. Money a trickle back to the gang. Then they give them one of the contract. Him look official but really him link with the gang too. Remember say you have subcontract. And you have all subcontract. Enough time the contractor don't even know say. The man with him contract to somebody else. If you think say no outer town, engineer on the outer town, this and outer town that can go Spanish Town. And those eat up one $2.2 billion contract and clansman and one other sit down there. And no eat half of it, link me for a unicorn. Mr. Asian Umbre and Miss Babs the Grange, what reassurances do you give the Jamaican people that none of that $2.2 billion are not spent on building, not $1 will be trickling into the pockets of the gang then? What reassurances can you give the people? I think we know the answer is none. Cause that's how crazy Spanish Town is. The gang them get fear eat off of the place so they claim so I go help fight the gang them. Only thing say extortion man hide in a Spanish Town. Man collect extortion in a broad daylight in front of police. The inability to stop extortion was so open in a Spanish Town is one of the biggest egg on the face of the St. Catherine North Police Division. Man they get extorted in a broad daylight. Police they right there so and he can't go to the police go say officer the man they extort me. Why think him not do it? Because even if he go to the police now do nothing at all. The police are to say, hey, stop it. Stop extorting him. And as soon as the police gone, the man the head bust off anyway. So people just lock them out and work with the system. But the man tell us a $2.2 billion spend and one other just sit down there. A building and make tower spend the right this one building and make right over this and man I go to sit down and say, yo, good year man, I don't want another $2.2 billion food there man. I go buy nobody and I'm in a check here man. Yo, I'm done them thing there man. So go and easy myself. It's not happening. The same police headquarters where them say them a bill for fight gang, the same gang then go and eat off it. I saw Spain work. Irie. So again we ask the Asian Umbre, aka the GPS boss. Them say them a track down man. People are link me a laugh and say, look you but yeah man, see the Umbre say them a track down man. You have make sure you see road up and down. Run up and down long time, that's nothing new for me. You think run up and down are nothing new for me. A years now we do this. But when you got tracked down, at the gang them with the right side of them fancy police headquarters them a bill. But you can't track them man. You can't track Dick man. You can't track the Michelin man. Asian Umbre, we need to know when. Vow for take back Spanish Town from criminals. When that date, Mr. Prime Minister, that is why you should make it your duty to sort out Spain first and make an example in a Spain and then lead with that. But all these years afterwards, they tell man about vow, we had to get married, I must see wedding vows. Anyway, Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture Squad, stay circling. Bless.